Hello guys, good morning. I am vlogging after so long. So today is a Saturday and we are 3 weeks into my intermittent fasting. If you're following me on my shorts or on my Instagram, you know कि मैं अभी intermittent fasting कर रही हूँ. And since I'm going to Vietnam next week, so I thought कि मैं पूरा महीना I will try to reduce my weight, not just reduce but to feel a little better. I wanted to work out regularly and give up on sweets and maida and whatnot. I will tell you that of course I have not been like 100% there. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने थोड़ा भी मीठा नहीं खाया है या थोड़ा भी तला हुआ या बाहर का खाना नहीं खाया है. I have, but it has been reduced to a lot. Like I have not had any of those for 70% of the times, but those 30% I have had things and I was like कि ठीक है यार, एक ही जिंदगी है, थोड़ा calorie manage करके I can sneak in a little bit of these things. Now the only problem is chai. I have had chai most of the days. कभी कभी of course I have not had it, but yeah, I have had chai most of the days. तो उसका जो sugar है that has definitely gone into my body, but that is it, right? So today why am I filming it is because I wanted to give you guys like a full on thing कि मैं क्या क्या कर रही हूँ. So what is the workout, what am I eating exactly, कितना प्रोटीन कितना क्या everything. Probably today is Saturday तो प्रोटीन तो गया बाहर में, mostly थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर की चीज़ें होंगी, and plus I'm having a fun day ahead of me, so I wanted to take you guys through that as well. फन कैसे, क्योंकि अभी मैं वर्कआउट करूँगी, फिर मैं खाना खा के आई एम लीविंग फॉर a little bit of shopping for Vietnam. So yeah, I just wanted to take you guys along कि चलो चलते हैं देखते हैं what can I get for Vietnam. So yeah, that's it. अभी let's go for workout. So I'm ready for my workout sesh. This I am not sure where it is from, but this is from Decathlon and I really love the fitting of this. And yeah, that's it. You have to ignore my background. Since you all know I live in a PG, I can't really help it. It's going to be a leg day. I think I've been doing a lot of leg days recently because I've realized that my lower body is a problem. So yeah, I am doing it for the second time this week. And you know what? अभी बज रहे हैं सुबह के 10:30. It's 10:30 right now, and I am gonna get into my workout so late, but it's okay. It's Saturday. I woke up late and I'm gonna do everything thoda late. But yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so my workout is done. I'll go quickly have a shower and then probably we'll have lunch and get out of my house for a little bit of shopping. I've also ordered one shoes from Myntra just right now after finishing my workout. So yeah, I have a shopping problem. Just got my shower done. It's time to do a little bit of skincare and then I'll have lunch and get out. मैंने कितनी बार बोल दिया ये एक टोनर. I've been using Wonder Ceramide Mochi toner. It is really nice. मैंने अपने बर्थडे पे खरीदा था and अभी तक आप देख सकते हो कितना ही कम हुआ है. So I think ये बहुत साल चलेगा मुझे, क्योंकि मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ. I'm gonna use this. This is Skin Aqua Super Moisture UV Gel with SPF 50 plus PA 4 pluses. It is really moisturizing. For lips, I'm gonna use this Cuffs and Lashes ka Cookie and Cream Lip Blush. For lunch today, I have pulao, vegetable pulao with curry. So I've also ordered Vietnamese cold coffee from Zepto Cafe. So that is what I'm waiting for. But I think आते आते ये ठंडा हो जाएगा. So I'll eat this and उसके बाद I'll drink it with you. Okay guys, so my Zepto order is here. I've already taken out my coffee. And with that, obviously we have a straw and we have a tissue. But now let's go. अब तो मैंने normal cold coffee तो पी है इनकी, but I have never tried the Vietnamese cold coffee. And I was craving one today. So जनरली हम सब साथ में, मतलब मेरे सारे रूममेट्स हम सब साथ में सुबह चाय पीते हैं, बट आज कोई नहीं था. आई एम होम अलोन, सो आई थॉट आई ऑर्डर माई सेल्फ फॉर वियतनामीज कोल्ड कॉफी. ओ माई गॉड, दिस लुक्स so good. Sip, slurp, savor. This looks like so what do you call it, like the it girl vibe. I have my smoothie, I have everything that I need. Now I'm gonna go to my college, my office. It's really nice. I like it. It is the perfect meetha. Of course, it's a bit more meetha for me, but ठीक है. I think normal लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा. So I'm gonna enjoy this while watching Vampire Diaries for the second time, and I'll see you soon. This is my outfit. I am all ready. The top is from Ajio, if I'm not wrong, or Myntra, I'm not sure. This is from H&M. I'm wearing my Crocs, and then this is something that I did. मतलब ये म्याओ मैंने बनाया था. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Let's go and get some shopping done. Okay guys, I am back at my PG. बहुत सही टाइम पे आई मैं क्योंकि बारिश अभी शुरू हुई है. So yeah, I got lucky that way, but I did like a lot of damage. I will show it to you in right time. Maybe I'll do a Bandra haul separately, but yeah, I did a lot of damage. So it's 8:30 at this point in time, and मैंने जितने भी कपड़े लाए थे, I also painted my nails by the way. Anyway, मैंने जितने भी कपड़े लाए थे, all of them fit me really well except one shorts. So it was a black Scott actually, and it fits me एकदम perfectly, like एकदम. But अगर मैं थोड़ा सा भी weight gain करती हूँ, it will not fit me. And I asked them, obviously I asked the shopkeeper कि अगर मेरे को tight होगा तो आप exchange करोगे क्या? तो he said yes. But the point is कि बैंड्रा तक वापस जाना और exchange करवाना, it's a big deal. So I don't know if I'll be going tomorrow or probably next week sometime, but yeah, I have to go and get that fixed. That is one thing that I have to do. And yeah, that is it for now. अभी वो आई थी तो हमने चाय और 2-3 बिस्किट्स खाए because why not. और मेरा सर भी दर्द कर रहा था. बट हाँ, दैट इज़ अबाउट इट. अभी हम थोड़ी देर में डिनर करेंगे अराउंड 9 o'clock, एंड देन प्रॉब्ली आई वॉच अ मूवी. तो शी सजेस्टेड कि वी शुड वॉच रांझना, but I don't know, I'm not very sure of that. Probably I'll watch Milkha Singh, but yeah, let's see. Okay guys, I did film the outro for this video and somehow it got lost. I probably have deleted it from my iPhone, so nahi tha outro, but I'm doing it right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, there were a lot of more things that were going around on Sunday and on Friday, but I really hope you enjoyed whatever I have filmed. I'm new to this vlogging thing, so please थोड़ा माफ कर देना. And that's it. If you guys enjoyed, you know what to do. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my Vietnam vlog. The next vlog that I'm actually posting is my Vietnam travel vlog, so please stay tuned. And yeah, that's it.